Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and nowadays I guess everyone uses Instagram for sure, and you all upload number of Instagram stories daily, and today I have 6 Instagram stories hack which are amazing and you all gonna love that. And also I am damn sure that you all gonna use at least one of the trick I show you. So now without wasting any time, let's go for it. So guys, before we get started, let me introduce you all to an amazing application named SnapTube. SnapTube is an application by which you can download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Also, you can download WhatsApp status songs. And downloading videos is very easy. Just search for the video and press on download button. And the best part of this application is that you can download videos at multiple resolution from 144p to 2K, 4K and 8K, even on 60 frames per second. Also, I use this application for downloading songs in MP3 audio format from YouTube, and it supports 9 regional languages in India like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil and many more. So guys, download this application from the link given below in the description or just search for SnapTube on Google Chrome. So now, our first trick is that how can you view Instagram stories secretly, or you can say anonymously, or in simple words without coming in the list of Insta story viewers. So for this, you will have to download an application named Stalkemy from the link given below in the description. After that, just link your Instagram account with that application, and here, after that you can see the name of all of your followings. Just tap on the story and after that you will be able to watch it. Like here you can see the story of RapCart. The second trick is for those who always ask that how can we get more views on Instagram story. Well, the best trick for getting more views on Instagram story is by using any trending hashtag related to your story and also select the location for your story. And if you don't want to show that, the hashtag and the place, just resize it to a very small size like I did. And what really happens by using hashtag and location is that if anyone search for that place or that hashtag, your story will also be there. And I have noticed that I get 200 more Instagram story views using this location and hashtags. Now come at the third Instagram story trick that many of you don't even know about. I have mentioned this earlier too in one of my videos. Is that we can hold and pin any sticker on any moving object. We can place it on any face, on our hand or on any moving object. For that, just record any clip, add a sticker, just tap and hold it, and adjust the duration like I did. It's simple and it's so cool. Now the fourth trick is the focus mode and rewind. Focus mode is a new feature on Instagram announced 2 months back by which you can take selfies like portrait mode with background blur depth effect. Even if you don't have any dual camera phone, it works great. I just click my picture using focus mode and here you can see the background blur is very cool and the edge detection is also very accurate. Now let's talk about another great feature of Instagram story, that is the rewind. Just select rewind from Instagram story. After that, record a video clip. After that, click on next and it will process the reverse of the recorded clip. And by using this, you can amaze your friends. Now the fifth Instagram story trick is to hide story from unwanted people. Many of you may know about this earlier, but for those who don't know that, this is pretty helpful. Just open his or her account you want to hide story from and after that click on the 3 dots and select hide story @username. This is all what you have to do. It's pretty helpful for those who want to hide their story from their family or from their relatives of any party or any hangout. Now the sixth and the last trick is to use an application named StoryArt. This application is used for creating amazing stories. Also, this application is free to use and you can download it from the link given below in the description. It comes with various templates. Just add your image and caption and after that export that media file and you can use that media file, that image later in your Instagram story. This is a very cool application. So I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, do follow me on Instagram at techparadise_. The link of my Instagram is given below in the description. And guys, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyan Sharan, and I'll catch you in the next one.